Hi, yes. Next topic, data tab. There, text to columns. The text to columns in MS Excel. This is the text to columns. What is that text to columns? Separate the content of one Excel cell into the separate the columns. One Excel cell separate to the columns. For example, you can separate a column of full name into separate the first and last name columns. First name, suppose I am giving to Rama, Krishna. Rama is separate first name, Krishna is the second last name columns. In Word, using this feature to convert the selected text into a table, splitting the text into columns, and each comma, period or other characters you specify. This is called a text to columns. Now, see here, I am taking some names. Hari Prasad, Ure Vasu Deva Rao. Okay, Pawan Kumar, Himabindu. Some names, 12 names are taken on here. How to separate the first name and second name? Using the text column. First you observed in this one text column. What is that? Normal text convert to the column wise. Normal text convert to the column wise. Say observed the image is not displayed clearly. See here, first one, what is that? Normal names. It means blue, red, blue. Here blue is separated, red separated, and looking like a box in downward. That was observed. The picture also is using the directly clicking on the any work you have, directly clicking on here. Okay. Next one, how to convert in it? First you select all the names. Okay. Next went to the text column. Next, how this before how to open the text column? What is that? Click data tab. There select text column. Okay, text column. One dialog box open. See here. Here the dialog box. What is the display? How many names you given on here? All are displaying here. Okay, names. How many names you have given? 12. The 12 is displayed. Here not work anyone here. Click directly in next. What is that? Click directly in next. Next here some names is given. In the name to name after name, Hari after given to the given here space. Okay, given to the space. You given to the semicolon, comma, space and otherwise other is displayed on here. Only whatever I am selecting the some data, whatever given on here, only space. So remaining all removed, only clicking on the space. See observed in the preview, you convert the names, all are converted to the names in the separately. It means space given. Okay, that there you line given on this. It means column wise divided that. Next after click next. Okay, click after next. Click after finish. See here, the names is separated. Hari separated, Prasad separated. 3 names given, 3 columns using, 2 columns again, 2 names given, 2 columns using, but not here. I am not given the one word only. That's why this Subaru name is not divided the in a column. This is the text columns. Another example is that see here. See observed on here. I am given to first data, I am given the comma, second data I am given here this one. Okay, I am given here this one colon. What is the name of this one? Colon. Okay, how to changing on the using the text column. First you select first data. First select the first data, but I am typing all information in the one cell only. Observe here, I'm not divided any cells. Okay, one cell only. Selected A or down cell, C here, result. Top of the C here, one cell only. Okay, selected after, click text column. Click text column. First step is next. Here what is given previously space. Now what's given here? Clicking deleted after click the comma. After click the comma. See preview here. Already divided in the name wise. Okay. Next what? Click next. Click next after click finish. See here. Employee name, number, salary, gross and next salary divided to the column wise. Okay. Next one. Again selected only one cell. Why? Because I am entered in one cell only. I am not entered to the other cell. Okay. Observe here. Again click text column. First one, click only next. What is given here? Semicolon. So click the semicolon, delete the comma. After observe here, serial number separator, serial name and marks and total separated and divided here. This is preview. Any mistake is preview displayed on here carefully. Okay, and click next and click finish. This is called a text column, very useful on the Excel. In this one, suppose you are typing to someone or first using on the Excel, typing one cell only, and this means Word document typing after again you use choosing the Excel, type it directly. That's I'm using very useful on this the text column. Okay, yes, this is the text column of the Excel. Anyone first saw the my channel, please subscribe and click like and share the my video. Thank you.